In previous video, I explained examples based on lines and angles. Okay. Now, in this video, more examples. First, if x equals to 25, find y. So, look here, it is a straight angle. Okay. Otherwise, you can say supplementary angle. So, solution is 2y plus 5 plus 3x equals to 180 degree. It is very easy question. Now value of x is given. So 2y plus 5 plus 3 into 25 equals to 180 degree. So 2y plus 5 equals to 180 minus 75 degree. 2y equals to 105 minus 5. So y equals to 100 divided by 2. So value of y is 50 degree. Okay, it's our answer. Now next question, it is theorem, and in exams it may come in different ways. So theorem is prove sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. So what is given? We start solution. Given is, first I am drawing, it's O. Okay, now A, B, C, D. F. Okay, so given is a point O, and OA, OB, OC, OD, OF are rays. Okay. Now next is to prove. So to prove is angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOF plus angle FOA. F equals to 360 degree. We have to prove this. Now, construction. Draw a ray opposite to AO. That is G. Draw a ray OG that is opposite to AO. Okay. Now proof. Angle AOB plus angle BOG equals to 180 degree. Equation 1. Why is it so? Linear pair. Okay. Now angle AOF plus FOD, angle FOD plus angle DOG equals to 180 degree. Its equation 2. Reason is same, linear pair. By adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So AOB plus BOG, angle AOB plus angle BOG plus angle AOF plus angle FOD. FOD plus angle DOG equals to 180 plus 180 degree. Since AOB, BOG can be written as BOC plus so from this and according to this diagram we will find angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus DOF, angle DOF plus angle FOA equals to 360 degree. Hence it is proved. Now third example is ROS stands on a line POQ, OR and OTR angle bisector of POS and SOQ. If POS equals to X, find angle ROT. Okay. So let's start solution. Okay. So since angle POS equals to X, so angle SOQ equals to 180 minus X degree. Okay, since it is straight angle. Now OR and OTR angle bisector. So angle ROS equals to X upon 2. We will write here RO is angle bisector. Okay. And angle SOT. This is angle SOT. SOT equals to 180 minus X upon 2. OT is angle bisector. Okay. So ROS plus SOT, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. By adding 1 plus 2. So angle ROS plus angle SOT equals to X upon 2 plus 180 minus X upon 2. Okay. ROS plus SOT equals to ROT. So we will write angle ROT equals to X plus 180 minus X upon 2. Cancel, means ROT equals to 90 degree. Angle ROT equals to 90 degree. Okay, it's our answer. Now fourth example is POQ is a line, OR is perpendicular on PQ. OR is perpendicular on PQ. OS is line between OP and OR. OP and OR prove that angle ROS equals to half of QOS minus POS. Okay. So given OR is perpendicular on POQ, okay, and OS is line between OP and OR. No need to write it. Now, to prove is angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. No construction. Now solution. Okay, otherwise proof. So angle POS plus angle SOQ equals to 180 degree. Why is it so? It is equation 1. And why is it so? Straight angle. Okay. Now next is angle POS plus angle SOR equals to 90 degree. Why is it so? Because OR is perpendicular on POQ, so it is 90 degree. It is given in diagram. It is written here 90 degree. Since it is 90 degree, so this angle will also be 90 degree. POS plus SOR equals to 90 degree. So it is you will write here complementary angle, otherwise you write OR is perpendicular on PQ, so angle POR equals to 90 degree. Okay, this one. Now multiplying this equation both sides by 2. Why are we multiplying? To make right side of these two equations equal. We will write this is equation 2. So multiply both sides of equation 2 by 2. Okay. So it will become POS plus angle SOR equals to 90 degree. Okay. So angle PO, I am writing here. So twice of angle POS plus twice of angle SOR equals to 180 degree. Okay. From equation 1 and 3. Thus we got third equation by equating equation 1 and 3. See, have a look here. Right side of both the equations are equal, so we can equate it. So angle POS plus angle SOR equals to twice of angle POS plus twice of angle SOR. Okay. So you have to prove ROS equals to. So twice of twice of angle SOR equals to, see, it will transpose here and it will also, no, it will become QOS. SO, it is not SOR, it is SOQ. Okay, so it will become angle SOQ minus angle POS. It will transpose here. So angle SOR equals to half of angle SOQ minus angle POS. Hence it is proved.